Hello, this is RV Vagabond Jerry, and today I'm going to be taking a river boat tour along Detroit, Michigan on the Detroit River. And the Detroit River is a very short river that just connects Lake Erie with Lake St. Clair, and then another lake connects Lake St. Clair to Lake Huron going further north. So the Detroit River only goes through basically the city of Detroit to connect the two lakes. So I'm going to take a tour that's going to go up and down this little Detroit River and get some sights of the city and see what else there is along the way. This is a good way to get an overall view of a city. So hop aboard with me, let's go. We've got a state park here with a giant froggy, and right across the river, that is Canada. Got a nice harbor here. Got one of these kind of fountains and a carousel. It's a 1-hour tour, and the price looks pretty good. Wonder where those steps go. Looks like they're having a big catered family event. The remains of a 375-foot-long dry dock completed in 1892. In 1902, the bottler steamer Columbia was outfitted in this dry dock. There's downtown Detroit. And there's Canada. Windsor, the city of Windsor, Canada. That's the Aretha Franklin Amphitheater. And the venue is also used for various ceremonies, such as high school graduations. In the later 19th century, Lake Park is the newest park. That is Atwater Beach. Just not at the water. The street that runs right along the water here is called Atwater Street. Which is Detroit via a new bridge and completes a series of parks within 10 minutes walking distance along the riverfront. In shoreline. And now we're coming up onto Belle Isle, where I did a video just recently. 50 feet, with the extreme deepest point under the Ambassador Bridge. So we are turning around just before getting to Belle Isle, going back towards downtown. That's Belle Isle, which is on the U.S. side, and I noticed that we are not getting anywhere near the Canadian side. This boat is staying on its half of the river. There's the International Bridge with Canada on the left and Detroit on the right. Well, now we are getting pretty close to Canada, showing one of their parks there. And over here, I see a Ferris wheel. There's Caesars, Windsor, Canada, but I guess it's not a palace. It's not Caesar's Palace, it's just Caesar's. And here's a little more close-up of their amusement park. Here's a closer-up view of downtown Detroit.
Not a pretty ship. It just came under the international bridge here, which we are heading directly for. Well, we are now about to go under the international bridge.
When it was dedicated on November 11, 1929. Construction of the bridge took just over 2 years, even in the era of concrete records. The twin towers of the bridge rise to 386 feet above the ground level. The roadway passes over the water at a height of 150 feet in the center. Night is lit by a necklace of lights, which are...
There's a lot of 18-wheeler trucks going in both directions across the bridge there.
not reach.
That's sand over there, so kids can act like they're at the beach. Well, now we're going back under the bridge again. There's some industrial operations. Wow, look how big their post office building is. These are residential condo buildings.
And for residence fan, Sergei Fedorov.
This is the Detroit Red Wings hockey team building, or whatever you call it. Stadium. Here's another riverboat. The Detroit Princess.
Impressive skyline. Directly along the waterfront, you can see the plaza. This park opened in 1979 and was named after former U.S. Senator Bill Hart. The plaza is home to the famous Dodge Fountain, as well as the Gateway to Freedom, the Renaissance Center. The Renaissance Center was constructed during the 1970s on the site of the old Rush Street Railroad Station and dramatically changed the face of the waterfront on the Detroit side of the river. The Renaissance Center was conceived as an indoor city under skylights that had retail shops, banks, meeting rooms, and all kinds of restaurants.
That says General Motors right there.
Under glass, and a museum about the development of the automobile.
Well, now we're pulling up to our dock. The cruise is over. Hope you enjoyed it, folks. Let me know. Good day.